Hello YouTubers, today we have an interesting project, and this channel has becoming quite random now uh, due to the project that is given on the bench itself. So I used to play drum a bit last time, and I used to teach also, but basic stuff only. This is a request from my former student long time ago. He bought this shell from across the Malacca Strait. So it's undrilled, so it doesn't have hole, and asked me to put uh, to assemble it with the given hardware that he bought online. So this is I may say an assembly video of this generic snare, and I was like, yeah, okay, I will accept your project, but didn't give any thought about it. I just thought it was about drilling hole all around the radius of the shell itself. But then after a while, it occurred to me I have to do some measurement as accurate as possible to get the thing symmetrically well, especially the this thing, what you call this, the lug holder itself uh, needs to be more or less the same distance from top to bottom. So it's really an interesting and quite not straightforward job. As you can see, I put some masking tape around. I need to find the center line from this end to here. For that, I use a caliper. This is a very odd thickness. On my ruler, it's measured 181 millimeters. So I have to divide it into 90 or 90.5 mm. So I took a caliper like this. Let's say I put it into the measurement. Might as well 89, 90. Let's just do 90.77 or 76, 77 around there. Lock the and then I just put a line there, and then I do the same here, so that I get more or less get can gauge the center line of the thickness itself. Then pursuit on no, that one I done later. The one that is quite difficult to do, or to me at least, is the individual lugs dividing, whereby you have to align the lugs to the hole on the drum hoop itself. So it has 2, 4, 6, 8 lug point, and for that I had to put it like so. Let me put a drum skin. Yeah. So the first process was masking the drum itself, and later on gauging the hole for the drum lugs to be positioned, and then putting a mark there, and then more or less on the next point. Yeah, next point, and then use a ruler to see how far from one lug point to another, like this. A flexible ruler will help. I don't have anything that's more what do you say, more sophisticated than this, so I put it there. So I notice is from one lug to another close to 14 mm. So when I measure around, it is exactly 14 mm apart to get those 8 uh, vertical line to match the to go into parallel with the top hoop and the bottom hoop. And while after doing that, this would be easy for me to measure the because we already established the straight vertical line. It will be easy for me to gauge it from here. And then aligning it, taking into account the hole inside the lug itself, so that it is equally apart from one another, top to bottom, and making it looks presentable and nice as possible. The other thing is requires another set of measurement is the snappy thing, is whereby it's under the thing itself. So this guy is using this brand DW, I guess it's good. So this goes here. From the picture I see, I saw this thing normally is I took 180 mm and divide it by let me adjust the camera. I always out of focus because I'm yeah, where was I? Yeah, I took the thickness of the measurement, which is 181, just round it up to 180 divided by 3, which gets me 60. So 60 mm from the or whichever also can, that will get me where I will position this. It has also a rubber which makes this will make things easy for me to drill, because you're not drilling on a flat line. This is arch, so I can never trust ruler measurement when you want to drill on an arch surface. So that's more or less cover that. On the other end, which is on the opposite end, it's good to take to put a mark there so you don't mistakenly drill the matching partner of this on the wrong end or the wrong side of the shell itself. So on the opposite end itself, which is this part, is I took the center line itself as a guide between these two, the center middle point of these two length, which is 90. For me to put this also by DW, I think. Not sure what model is this, where is it, a high end or low end, not sure, but the metal feels very convincing. Yeah, so yeah, put that there. This student of my customer has put a lot of research, which is good actually. I can never do research about things that I don't know. So this is the rubber washer that goes to the let's call it the mag throw off. So not sure what that means. That will be here. This is quite easier to do than the other side, because the drill hole is going to be vertical. If it's on the horizontal, it's be hard to measure. You have to have some template. Yeah, so good thing this has some template, a rubber template that matches the curvature of the shell itself. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's it. After we done this, there's two things that I'm not sure where I should put it, which is because I saw in the back there he provided those hole, those it's like a plug something. So this I will put it this last, because but I already prepared the center line just in case. It's easy, we just need to divide it equally and then drill and put this thing there. Yeah, so glad. Yeah, so this will be last, and the other also in the later process, which requires me to have him present, is this thing. I'm not sure where to install this. This is like a mute, I believe. Yeah, not sure where you put this, but anyway, I'm not going to take off this thing, this masking tape. I'm gonna leave it there. Drill, assemble, pre-assemble, and then inspect, and then after uh, he confirmed where he wants this to be, and the other hole, the other, what do you call this? I'm not sure. Base port, base reflect port. Okay. Those are speaker term, not I think for the maybe acoustic port. So these two, after we confirm where to drill this around the radius of the shell itself, then I'm gonna take out everything, take out the masking tape and clean it, and then put it back. Hopefully you can tune the drum, because I cannot tune drum. So that's it for this random project. We just never know what this channel might offer in the future, but it's good thing to try random stuff, because yeah, of course it's this is not free job, it's a paid job, and you just never know. You just need to try whatever that in your related in the music. In my circumstances, I need to try something from the branches of the musical instrument industry. Guitar, bass, why not drum? Yeah, might as well try. You never know. This could be one of the my future repertoire of not repair, maybe drum assembly job for those who couldn't do it. I will try to help. But being first, I will expect maybe some unperfection here. The curve itself, the radius itself, is not that round. It's not that precise. Yeah. See you in the next part. Bye bye. Hello again, and everything is installed. I think I did a good job for electronic guy doing drum assembly in terms of the hardware and alignment and measuring everything. And anyway, I'm satisfied with the job. It looks good. I will leave this masking tape there for now, because I'm going to wait for my accident to come to decide where to put this, and the air hole or the pot, the hole itself. So I'm figuring it's going to be somewhere in the center of the thickness itself. And the parts that was used is this one is the DWXM 2157 Mac throw off. That is the big thing here. So according to the picture itself, it is installed in the center. So I'm going by the picture. So this is more or less in the center of the shell itself. Yeah, divide by 2, and then mark center line, and then space out the two hole that is meant for its assembly on the right spot. The other thing also which matches the other end, the opposite end, which is this one, is I think this is a lever or something to do with the attention of the thing. Is DW part number DWSM 2158 3P 3 position butt plate. So this itself is according to the picture itself, it is mounted near the bottom hook, so I'm not comfortable with that being too close. So I'm going for a bit of space there. So hopefully it's okay for him. What's done is done, cannot be undone. And yeah, the this thing which is the DW 2157 is sold here for about 240 ringgit. It's about 60 USD. This one is sold here is for about 30 USD. I'm sure you can buy both really cheap in DW land, which is America or Europe. Yeah. So that's it for today. I think I've done an okay job. Satisfied. No need to be. This is not a space precision kind of job. So this will become a valuable experience for me to face any future snare assembly. That's it. I hope you enjoy this short video, and bye bye.